Top 3 points on how to grow your business online. Number 1. Build a strong online presence to grow your business online. It is essential to establish a strong online presence. This can be done by building a user-friendly website, creating social media accounts, and listing your business on online directories. Make sure your website is optimized for search and provides a clear message about your business. Use social media to engage with your audience and drive traffic to your website. Number 2. Invest in online advertising. Advertising your business online is an effective way to reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your website. This can include using paid search ads on Google, social media advertising on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and display advertising on relevant websites or blogs. Number 3. Focus on customer experience. Providing a positive customer experience is crucial to growing your business online. This includes having a user-friendly website that is easy to navigate, providing prompt and helpful customer service, and actively seeking feedback from your customers to improve your products or services. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your online visibility, attract more customers, and ultimately grow your business. If you have any questions in your mind, then please type in comments. For more information on how to grow your business online, visit our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mad Outsourcing.